Well, good day, folks, and today is Sunday, January 5th, 2025, and we're waiting for a snowstorm to start. I don't know if it's going to be, well, it's not going to be as bad as what they were saying, I guess, but anyway, still going to be a bit of a snowstorm. Not very much snow, and the winds have gone down some, but it's still going to be kind of nasty, I guess. Anyway, you can kind of see it's cool out today. All the frosties on the garage door windies. So I'm going to go in and get the fire going, and then we'll get at our Sunday afternoon fireside chat. Oh, welcome back, folks, and we've got the fire going here now, and we're slowly starting to warm up. And we've got the lanterns on today, and I put the new glass in this lantern here just a few minutes ago. There we go. Nice new glass. Okay, we're going to get along here in a minute. I'm going to take us back in time today. A little bit different video today. And we're going back to, not too far, but back to January 3rd, 2025. And on this past Friday, I took some wood in, or slabs, I should say, that were outside where the computer is there, that wall. There's those slabs that were sitting outside there, so I took all those in to get them dried out so I can make kindling out of them. And I've had a little fan blowing on them there for the last day or two, I guess. And you can definitely see a difference in the dryness of them on this side anyway. It's going to take a while for them to dry out completely. Once I get them split up, they'll dry out pretty good. So there's a video on me taking those in with the Massey Ferguson 12 and the loader. It only took 2 bucket loads to get all that in. And yeah, I know, I could have just walked in with them from out there, but what fun is that? Might as well use the tractor. So after this clip, we're going to go back, like I said, to January 3rd, and that clip will play. And then the clip after that will be back to today in the garage here, and we'll continue on with the Sunday afternoon fireside chat. So hopefully all this works out. Anyway, I got something here to show you. That's kind of funny. The things people do for entertainment is just amazing. If I can get it back here now. Oh yeah, here we go. Seen this here on Facebook. I can get it to work now. Belt sander races. Oh, countless of things people do. Oh, that's funny. I'll watch it again just for fun. I would imagine there's people trying to soup them up somehow. Oh dear. Anyway, all right, so we'll go back in time here for a few minutes. Well, good day, folks, and here we are at Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood again today. And today is January 3rd, Friday. So I'm going to try and get this slab wood in so that I can make kindling out of it through the winter. And we're going to try and get that in today while it's froze and not wet. So I'm going to move out a couple of tractors and get the Massey Ferguson 12 with the loader out and load the bucket and take in these slabs and pile them in the corner there. So I did some change around on the corner, so we'll go in and have a look at that. Alright, so we kind of got the wood that was against the wall up again in that little pile there in the corner, and I put up a little side piece there to kind of hold the wood for now. And I have the deck up against the wall there, and I think I'll move this ladder so that where I'll set you up so you can kind of see me coming and going with the Massey Ferguson 12 loader tractor. And I'm going to set the slab wood right here in front of this mowing deck. So I would say by the middle of next week that little pile in the corner there will be gone. So that's where I will transfer the slab wood that I take in today into there. Well, that is the plan. Now, plans always seem to have changes for some reason, but anyway. Yeah, so I'm going to move this one kablooey out, and I'm also going to move the case out. And when I put them back in, I'll put the Massey Ferguson back where it is. Kablooey is going to go where the case is, and the case is going to go where kablooey is. And the reason for that is, we'll do a little weather update here. A few flurries today. Kind of got the ground just barely white, but it's at least cold enough that it may freeze the ground some, so it won't be quite so bad to remove snow. Yeah, the weather today is at the moment, I haven't updated it since when. We'll try updating it just for the heck of it. Yeah, not much change, I guess. So anyway, -3 Celsius and 28 degrees Fahrenheit. And we have southwest gusts at 26 miles an hour. So it's not too bad. And 60% chance of flurries are saying for today, which is kind of happening, and we're at our high temperature. It's -3 degrees Celsius. So winter seems to be coming back. -4 on Saturday. Then we have flurries Saturday night. Snow on Sunday, -5. Snow and blowing snow Sunday night, -6. Flurries on Monday, -2. And then flurries basically for the rest of the week ended just below the freezing mark. So it still doesn't say how much snow is coming on Sunday, but on another channel that I look at, it said between Sunday and Monday we might get 10 centimeters, maybe. So that's only 4 inches, I guess. So not a blistering snowstorm, but with the blowing snow, it could make for some interesting drifts in the country, not so much around here. All right, so I'm going to set these up somewhere so you can kind of see me coming in. You won't see me loading the tractor outside, but you'll see me driving in through and unloading over here. Like I say, I'm just going to kind of throw it in front of the mowing deck there for now. So this wood is froze, but it's a lot easier to dry out than if it was wet from rain. So it'll take it a while to get to the point where it's dry. But anyway, so this little clip here of all this is going to be put in, hopefully mixed in with the Sunday afternoon fireside chat video, which is January 5th on a Sunday. So I'm gonna try and put it in somewhere in that video. All right, I'll shut this off for a minute. I got to get things set up here. All right, I got the Bluey and the case out. I got the Nancy Ferguson running, so I'll go and get started with the one. Alright, so the 2 bucket loads there, so I just kind of threw it in the pile there, so it'll dry a little easier that way. And I was saying that next week we'll have it over in the other corner there at some point. Okay, that'll give me some kindling for a while. I'll get back to you in a minute. Alright, there we are. We got everything back in. We got the wood there, so I'm going to try and get a fan and blow it on that area and help dry it out some. We got the Massey Ferguson 12 back in place. And we have the kablooey in where the case was. And we have the case up where kablooey was. So if we get snow on Sunday, more than likely we won't be doing any cleaning until Monday. So you'll get to see a different tractor doing some snow clearing. So the case is going to give it a go this time. And then we'll switch it around again someday, maybe. Well, the only thing with the case is it's got no chute deflector. Like that one there, that cab tractor, that's Dave's favorite tractor. That has the chute deflector on it. And both of these tractors have hydraulic chute deflectors on them. So how you can overcome that on this tractor, because there is no chute deflector to drop the chute down to keep the snow from coming back on you, is you can lower the RPM, which you can do on any of the tractors. But this will still throw snow at about a quarter throttle, but just won't be throwing it as far or up as high. So if it's not up as high, then the wind doesn't have as much of a chance to get a hold of it and blow it back on top of you. So that's what you can do to kind of help that, is just to lower your idles or your running speed down, so you're not throwing the snow as far or as high. All right, so we'll shut this one off for now. And that's going to be it for this one. So, all right, so we're going to change the calendar here today now too. Hopefully you enjoyed that clip from going back in time. 2 days. Yeah, so anyway, we're going to take down the 2024 calendar here and put up the 2025 calendar. All right, now I don't know how I can do this with one hand. I guess I might be able to. All right, here we go. There's the first one. There now, look at that. There's the John Deere out in its natural habitat. So years ago, before I started hibernation, that's what I used to do in the weekends for fun. Take one of the garden tractors and the little trailer and the saw and go out and cut up dead wood. Whatever was dead, I'd cut it up and drag it back, and we'd burn it at my sister-in-law's place there. So don't do that anymore. That's just too cold for my liking. But it certainly was fun to do. And that tractor is this one right here. I gotta get my paper bags put away. I got a lot of little things to do. But anyway, that's just the way it is. All right, so now we're going to move on to something else here. All right, we're back again. And now we're going to do a little box opening. I had been saying for a while that the sticker thing has kind of slowed down. We don't seem to get as many stickers, and I guess I don't ask for them, or as much as I used to. Or anyway, it just seems to have slowed down the sticker thing. You don't seem to see videos of people getting stickers too much anymore. Anyway, I've been saying for a little while, for the last month or two, that I had been expecting a sticker. So I got a box. So anyway, I would imagine that there's a sticker in there, but it seems to be an awful big box for a sticker. So anyway, yeah, well, and then of course Canada Post had a Canada-wide postal strike. So I'm not going to get into that. So anyway, we'll open this up here and we'll see what we got. So it took a little while for this to come. Oh yes, this is the sharpest knife on YouTube. Dave has the nicest looking knife, but I've got the sharpest one. All right, let's see what we got here. We have some fire starters. And this, I've been wanting one of these stickers for quite a while. This fellow's got a great channel. Just I like watching. It says, "Hey Noel, thanks for reaching out. I did ask for a sticker, so I found an extra steel sticker if you want it. I appreciate you watching and your kind comments. Take care and stay warm. Mike at KNL Firewood." So that's great. Thanks very much, Mike. I appreciate you sending me that. Holy cats, the price of the shipping was wowie. Yeah. So I'll get over here and show you the stickers. Yeah, look at that, eh? Holy. Nice hat. More fire starter. And there's a nice little box to ship something in maybe someday. I'll have to get that out of the way in a bit. So here we are. Look at this. We got a nice hat here. That's like come in handy for tomorrow's snowstorm cleanup. Yeah, look at that. Yes, sir. All right, now we'll show you the stickers. I guess you probably know who it is by now anyway. Most people watch Mike on his channel. He's got quite a nice channel going there. So we have KNL Firewood. Look at that. Boys, I've been wanting one of them stickers for a while now. Well, he's got a great channel. He's a great fellow to listen to. Easy to listen to, and very good speaker. And the other thing that he does, and I'm quite taken with this here, is this Hoosier Firewood Hysteria that he and his some of his buddies had started there a few years ago. And that's a great thing to be doing. I'd love to go to that. Bring that in a bit. Yeah, right there. There's lots of people go to that, and they cut up firewood for the veterans camp there, and the camp then sells the wood to the people that come to camp there, and they have a get together there once a year, I think, in September. And I think the place that has the firewood that sells to the people that come to camp for the weekend, and the camp gets all the firewood for free and gets it all cut up for free, got split for free, and stored in their building. So all they have to do is sell it to the people that come to camp. So that's a great thing. Now, Mike has sent me a still sticker. So I may just have to remember the leaking, beeping chainsaw, which is still up where I put it there months ago. It's made by Husqvarna. It's a Red Max saw, but it's made by Husqvarna. So it still may be the new product someday in Knowles Garden Tractors and Firewood. And the Stihl dealer is not too far away from it. There's actually two of them not too far away. One over by my son's place and one not too far from myself. So there we go. Now we got a sticker to put up. Where are we going to put that, Mike? I think I got a spot here. I'm going to keep this fire starting stuff. Great. More fire starting stuff. That's the way to have it. Now, Mike, I'd like to get you. I'm sorry if I got my my kindling kind of stored in the way here. All right. Well, I think I know where I'm going to put you, Mike. We'll put you up where I think I am going to put you, where I had thought about it for a while. And here we go. Yeah, not too often to put a sticker up. Now, just sorry for me in your way here. I'd like to get this in where I think I can get it, and hopefully have it nice and straight. There. Look at that. That's nice. Nice sticker, Mike. That's great. Now, see, Ferguson had all dirty. It fell on the floor. Heavens. All right. Now, we'll go over here. I've got my thing, my marker or my pointer out here, so we'll do the stickers now. I think it's just going to be a quick go through for the stickers today. I'm kind of not remembering a lot of the videos, and I haven't watched them all. So I have to apologize again. It's just this time that I just don't get to see everybody's videos, and boy, there's a lot of great channels to watch, and it's not easy to keep up sometimes. So there we go. Oh, I don't have the studio light on. Look at that, boys. The things that happen when you're trying to do something. Yeah. There we go. So good channels to go and watch. Like I say, I don't have too much in my mind here for videos. I guess when I watch all there is one or two now, I think. Grampy's Workshop. Great place to go and watch videos on woodworking and other things that he does. And his name is Mike. Orange is my new green. Luke hasn't been putting any videos out lately, but anyway, hopefully everything's all right there. And then Grampy's Workshop again. And then Murphy Mowers. He had what? Oh yeah, he had a pony tiller that he fixed up and he's going to use this coming spring. And he said spring, he said March or April. Spring around here is May. And then we have Lynn's keeping busy. Yeah, Lynn's always busy on his wood stacking there. Garden Tractor Boy. Holy cats, I kind of tried to watch that last night and there was just too many other distractions for some reason. I didn't get to watch it all yet. I'll rewatch that today. Joseph, I just didn't. I don't know if I've seen it all or not, but I've seen bits and pieces of it. I'll have to go back over it again because I'm sure I missed something. In the backyard with Dell. Dell messaged me the other day and said that he had sent me a sticker, but I didn't get that yet, Dell, so I'm sure it's coming. This Canada Post must be way behind on their backlog from being on strike, and I don't want to say anything else about that. So then we have Boda Bob, Garden Tractor Boy again, and we have Mr. Gary and Miss Debbie, the old church 5-acre homestead. And we have Kenny, Open Air Adventure, and RCAF Polar Express. Dave had a snow blowing, or not even, he never even used a snow blower. He just used a bucket this morning on the snow. You see a little bit of snow there, so he always makes a pile of snow at the end of the driveway for the next door neighbor kids to play in. But he said that it was too cold out for the kids to play in the snowbank today. So I said to him, now, my friend Dave, I said, that is why you need a cab on your tractor. So you can imagine the response I got. And we have maintenance with Mike, Brock at Lewis Mowers and Boats, retired for life. Rick's outdoors, Rick and the heaters too, getting wood, and splitting wood, and storing wood, and selling wood, and just non-stop goings there. Noel's Garden Tractors and Firewood, got a great sticker today. Look at this sticker down here. Mike from KNL Firewood. That's a nice sticker. He's got a great channel there. And we have Rick from Twin Brook Acres, Everyday Projects with Craig. And Great Man Small Engine Repair, Artie. Artie had 3 snowblowers out that he's had for quite a while. Getting those going today on his video. 2 went and 1 didn't, so anyway, he's been trying to sell them, but Artie doesn't seem to get any snow in his location there. I think he's in New Jersey. So I don't know if he's getting that same storm that I'm getting today or not. Anyway, Outdoors in 608. Video on there today. Yeah, Jeremiah's got a nice Ford tractor there, and that's his log lift. It's got a loader on it, so he puts the big rounds in the bucket of the loader on the tractor, and that is his log lift up to his wood splitter. Great show there today. He had his new battery packed out, I think it was called an EBL, and he was running his conveyor escalator and some lights there today. So a good video there. Tucker and I out and about. And cod raving. Big surprise here today. I never expected that to happen. They sold their sailboat that's named Frill. Well, I'm kind of surprised at that today. Anyway, that's what's going on there. Big Sons, maybe he was doing some, oh yeah, he was trying to fix up that Cub Cadet. Oh boy, that poor Cub Cadet that those people have, they sure put it through its paces, whatever's up with them. And then we have Allen Family Firewoods, and they are selling everything on their last video, so I guess things are going good there. And the Log Father, I'm sure he's still kind of on vacation, I think, but I'm not sure. He might not be by now. Darrell Wells, different stuff. he was into some some videos about snares, rabbit snares and things like that, I think. Then we have Larry Cluck, outdoors, Ross on the land, Club Dora. I think Alan had a video right here just this week. Yeah, well, I guess I can't remember. Then we have Gator's World. Gator's got his compressor back up and going. That's a good thing to have done. Then we have John, the Bradleys on Catbird Hill. What was John doing? He had a video there. Can't remember. Nope. And Father and Son Outdoors. And of course, KNL Firewood. Nice channel. You should go and visit that one. He's a great guy to watch and to listen to. And he gets firewood and cuts it and splits it, and he's the one that kind of, I think he and his friends, they gather all the wood for the through the year for the firewood, the Hoosier Firewood Hysteria, which is coming up, I think, in April this coming year, 2025. So not too far away, really. That's a good video too. There's lots of people that go to that are YouTubers, and they all put their own YouTube videos out on that weekend when they all go to cut that wood and split it. And what else have we got here? We have Tractor Talk with Gary. I got some kindling in the way there, Gary. Look at that. That's not that nice. There. Some sticker that Gary's got for his John Deere tractor and the Kubota tractor. Big sticker. Oh, that's nice. And this one has got the Gary approved smoke coming out of it. There we go. I'm going to cut her off here now because it's going to be kind of a long video. And hopefully you all have a great first week to 2025. And thanks again for all the new subscribers and all the past subscribers. Thank you very much. And onward we go. All right, goodbye now.